Hi friends, today we are going to learn about typecasting in C#.NET. What is the typecasting and when we will go for typecasting and what are the types of typecasting? These details we will going to learn basic details. Initially, what is the typecasting? Typecasting is a process of converting data from one data type to another data type. Typecasting is a process of converting data from one data type to another data type. That is the typecasting. And when we will go for typecasting? So that for that question answer is whenever we want to assign one data type value into another data type variable, we will go for typecasting. When we will go for typecasting is whenever we want to assign one data type value into another data type variable while writing the program in our project, at the time we will go for the typecasting. For example, below you can see here example, int age is equals to 30. 30 is in string data type. So, but here age is the int data type. So, int is the age is the int data type and here 30 value is the string data type. So, that time if we want to convert from string to int data type value or from int to string, so these scenarios we are going to typecasting. So this is the basic definition and basic understanding of typecasting. Typecasting is the process of converting data from one data type to another data type. For example, one data type is the int, another data type is the string. So from int to string data type conversion, that is called typecasting. Here we have two type of typecastings. One is implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. So here what is the implicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting is the by default C#.NET compiler will support some type conversions. Some type conversions are supported by C# compiler by default, which are called as implicit type conversions. So implicit type conversions are by default C#.NET compiler will support type conversion from one data type to another data type, that is called implicit typecasting. Here we can see to implement these, programmer not required to write any special syntax. That means to implement implicit typecasting, programmer not required to any syntax, any code statements. For example, here int a is equals to 100, but here double data type b variable equal to a is the int data type, b is the double data type. So from int data type value to double data type value, here it is a converting to int to double. In this scenario is C# compiler is supporting conversion from int to double. So programmer is not required to write any programming, any special syntax to convert from int to double data type. So that is the implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is supported by C#.NET compiler. And the second type is explicit typecasting. When we will go for explicit typecasting, for that question answer is whenever particular type conversion is not supporting by C# compiler, then we have to go for explicit conversion. Explicit conversion is what, when we will go for explicit conversion is whenever a particular type conversion is not supported by compiler, not supported by C#.NET compiler, then we have to go for explicit conversion. For example, here we are reading the value into int data type value. Age is the int data type. So from int to convert to any character or any other data type, that time we have to go for explicit conversion. To implement that explicit conversion, programmer has to write some code. Programmer has to write any special syntax to conversion from from int data type to character data type, for example. These are the two type conversions, typecasting. One is implicit typecasting, another one is explicit typecasting. Again I am saying implicit typecasting is supported by C#.NET compiler, but explicit typecasting has to write code, has to write some special syntax to conversion for explicit typecasting. So now we have to learn implementation of implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is supported by C#.NET developer, right? So the below table is representing the possible implicit type conversion in C#.NET. So here I have shown list of the data types which are supported by implicit typecasting by C#.NET compiler. Here is the S data type is the one data type. This data type value able to support to conversion short data type, int, long, float, double, decimal, like that. Here another data type is a byte. Byte data type value is able to convert into short, ushort, int, uint, long, ulong. These are the data type we are able to convert without write any special syntax. This conversion is supported by C#.NET compiler. So these are the list of the data types are able to support by C#.NET into these data types. So here today we are learning typecasting. Here is what is the typecasting, when we will go for typecasting. So what is the example of the typecasting, and what are the types of typecasting, and each type when we will go for each type. So when we will go for implicit typecasting, when we will go for explicit typecasting. So today we have learned typecasting in C#.NET. So thanks friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.